everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an event on Discord. So for instance, you want to create this event of I don't know, like a tournament or something on Discord. I don't know though. Just go to your server and then right click. Okay, maybe not here. I don't remember where. Okay. Press this arrow and then select create event. Now, where's your event? There's two options, voice channel or somewhere else. You can even make it an in-person location. I'm just going to select voice channel for this one. Then select the channel that you want to create the event in. Press next and select the event event topic. I don't know what's wrong with me, but you're going to type the topic, of course. Maybe it's go to 2 mil star coins. I don't know, this is just random. Select the start date. For instance, it starts at the 26th of May and starts at starts at 8 p.m. Add in a description and you can even upload a cover image. Next, you're going to preview it and you're going to start you're going to create the event, but I'm not going to because this is just an example. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!